Hello, listen to music. Yes, let's start the class with music. Listen. You listen to the music? This is spectacular because class is very special. You need to concentrate. That's why the music. You need to concentrate. Listen to music. All right, very good, very good. It is spectacular that you listen classical music, especially when you are reading a book. Okay, so uh, remember first to write here the date. Remember today is July 9, 2020. So right here. And then we're going to study reading class. So this is the reading class. So we're going to study reading class. Okay. So don't forget date July 9th, 2020, and the topic is reading class. And I need is you do some exercises in this reading class. One of the exercises that I need you to do it's something that I need you to do here. It's what's going on? Yeah, here. Oh my God, where I am. So hold on one moment. I got a problem here. Oh my God. So just a moment, please. Oh my God, what I did. Oh God, what is going on here? Not is this is not I'm looking for. This is also neither. This is yours. I'm so sorry. I was looking this. All right, so you're gonna do four activities. Okay, four activities. Activity one is you're gonna use a pencil or pen, and then you are going to circle the words that you don't understand. For example, in my case, I'm gonna use my imagination. I don't understand reading, so I circle reading. Okay? You get it? This is very important you understand what we are doing. Okay, so don't forget. I don't understand. I don't understand what it means science. So I circle science. This is an example. I don't understand what it means scientist. I don't know. So circle because I don't know. A game. What is a game? So circle a game. Okay. Activity one here in the reading tool. So whatever everywhere. I don't know what it means everywhere. Nowadays, I don't have no idea. Nowadays, I don't know what it means without. I don't know. So circle. All right. Activity two, it's different. You're gonna use a marker, or one marker, a pen, a red color, using the red color, or it could be color, any color, but not any color. Red color. Red color for underline the verbs in the reading. So necessary you understand that reading has many verbs. So for example, like is a verb, so you underline. Predict, another verb. Rule, in this case, rule is a verb. Is a verb. Take is a verb. What I did? Oh my God. Oh, I see. This is not here. Okay. And verb, another verb. Say is a verb. Replace is a verb. Learn is a verb. Need is a verb. Have is a verb. All right. So remember, circle words that you don't understand. Underline with the red color the verbs in the reading. And third, you and me, we're going to complete the exercises. So we're gonna complete exercise 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, in this class. Nevertheless, the last exercise, and I think it is the most important activity that you need to do, it's you are going to listen, and then you're going to read, and then you're going to speak. So you're gonna do three activities: listen, read, and speak. Listen, read, speak. Listen, read, speak. So I need is that you learn how to read in English. So in that case, I want is that you understand how important is this, but making the connection between the letters or the words with the sounds. And then you can understand how is the pronunciation. And perhaps you can understand better the comprehension too. All right? So let's go to activity 4. It means listen, read, and talk. Talk, speak. All right? Let's go. Please remember, listen, read, and speak. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3. Reading the future of technology. Oh, let me see a bigger. Okay, reading the future of technology. 1. Work in groups, discuss the questions. A. What are your favorite science fiction movies? So you need to answer the question. B. What are the names of 2 movies about robots? If you remember. Or you can find out, investigate. C. Do you think robots will rule the world one day? Why or why not? Okay, so these questions you answer here, use pencil, and then you answer the questions here. Here you can answer using the pen or pencil, or on your notebook is possible too. Let's go number 2. Read the article and mark, this is the mark, the examples of present day technology and write mentions. A. Cars. B. Robot waiters. C. Computers. GPS devices. E. Cameras. F. Solar energy. 3. Read the article again and match the people and things to the traditions. A. Science fiction movie. B. Most experts. C. Some scientists. D. Many people. Alright, so here you need to write one of this in this gap, in this space. Storms on the sun might destroy our electrical system. Wow. Robots won't replace people. Humans might not be in charge in the future. Robots will rule the world. So you need to write one of these. Work in pairs and list things that people need technology to do. Number them in order of importance. All right, so let's go next is reading. So you're gonna repeat, listen, read, and repeat. Repeat. Robot world. World. Don't pronounce this. World. This is not it doesn't pronounce. World. Okay. Science fiction movies like Transformers or The Matrix predict that robots will rule the world. But is this realistic? Will machines take over our lives? Science fiction writers think they will. It is certainly true that technology is it's everywhere nowadays. Cars drive without a driver, computers fly on airplanes, cameras watch you in the mall, and robots take your order in a restaurant. It is not surprising that many people believe that humans might not be in the charge in the future. However, most experts say that robots won't replace people. Okay? However, most experts say that robots won't replace people. They say that this is only science fiction. In fact, in some scientists think there is another more serious danger. They believe that radiation from a violent storm on the sun might destroy all our electrical system. If that happens, we might not have any modern technology at all. Then we will need to learn to do things again. But this time without the help of technology. All right. So after this, you need to complete, of course, you need to complete here exercises according to the reading you are going to now take. Okay, number 2. Number 3, for example, cards in this reading appears, yes or not? I give you 5 seconds. Look, yes, it's a card. Robots, waiters. In the reading, say something about the robots, waiters. Serve them the food in the restaurant. All right, yes, because robots take your order in a restaurant. So the person who takes the order, uh, that person is a waiter. Okay. GPS devices? No, not really. Very good. Cameras. What do you think about cameras? Cameras? Yes. Solar energy. In the reading, solar energy? All right. Here says something about but is different to the solar energy. Okay. Something about the sun, but it's something different because it's about a violent storm. Storm is different than that. No. All right. So let's go number 3. Read the article again and match the people and things in the prediction. Science fiction movies correspond to what? Humans might not be in charge in the future. Robots will be rule. Robots here comprehension. Robots science fiction. So correspond to one of them. So will be all right. Good. Now You're gonna do that. You are going to